This is my 9th belching video, so I'm going to do some belching. It is 9:56 a.m. So yeah, and my hair is sort of blondish. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start belching now. So sit back and relax. Enjoy the show. I'm trying to do some loud belches. Well, because I'm home alone with my brother, so. It's kind of hard, though. It's because I just finished eating, so. And don't mind me, because my English is starting to suck, so. I'll do a really long burp. Well, I'll do a couple of long burps. They're pretty amazing, so. I'm sorry, that was funny. Oh, that hurt though. That was one of the longest burps I've ever done. Okay, I'll do another one. 1 second. Because I coughed up food while burping, so yeah. Okay. That one wasn't as long though. Okay. I've got a big bowel trouble. And I'm tired. I'm so funny. What the hell? Okay. That one I forced it. My burps are wimpy, I know, but they're freaking long as hell. They're pretty amazing. But I'm working on making my belches that long. So far, it's, yeah.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but
Mammals, fuck! I did it yesterday. I said the whole sentence from the song The Bad Touch by the Bloodhound Gang. Oh, fuck. I can't do a loud belch right now. I don't know, for some reason, it just doesn't allow me to do it. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. That was nice. I'm gonna put on a good song, but I'll just keep belching while I try and put it in. those of you who've played In the Groove and know the song Anubis and Zodiac, you should listen to this song. One sec. Here we go. It's both of them mixed together. One sec. Oh shit. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh, is that all that came up? Fuck. I'll do another long burp just to get all this air out of me. If you don't like my wimpy burps, then shut the fuck up and get out of here. It's as simple as that. Here we go. Oh, it wasn't as long this time.